What if your business could spot a viral trend, find a supplier for it, and start marketing it on social media before you even finish your morning coffee? Most AI tools just give you the ideas, but Accio Work didn't just give me the idea. It unlocked a whole new profit workflow that scaled my business on autopilot. Today, I'm showing you my creative case, a full automated trend to market engine that I've built using an agent squad. We are moving past basic chatbots and into full flow execution. Before we dive into the setup, let's talk about why this is a leap forward. I've used OpenClaw and Cloud Cowork before, and while they are great for writing, they are actually not to interact with the world.
Accio Work is different because it's an agentic business workspace. It's built on Alibaba's 26 years of trade expertise, meaning it has the business DNA to handle things like supplier sourcing and logistics that tools like Perplexity Computer just aren't built for. It's more open than Cowork and offers more enterprise-level operations than your standard open-source models. It's essentially a secure sandbox where your agent can manage real-world tasks like placing orders or arranging shipping without you needing to oversize every click.
Here is the actual workflow I have implemented. First, I opened the Show Skill page and enabled e-commerce research and global sourcing.
I created a specific agent called Trend Hunter. Using the Schedule Tasks feature, I set this agent to scan social media and marketplace data every 24 hours to find rising product niches. Once it identifies a high potential item, it doesn't just tell me, it automatically triggers my sourcing agent. This is where the connector page is vital. I've connected it to my business communication channels. The sourcing agent takes the trend data, finds 5 high-rated suppliers on Alibaba.com, and sends out initial requests for quotes to all of them. It handles the first 2 rounds of negotiation on price and shipping terms autonomously. By the time I log in, I have a short list of ready-to-go vendors instead of a blank spreadsheet.
Now for the creative marketing side. Once the product is sourced, my marketing agent takes over. First, I've linked my Instagram.
The squad consists of a visual researcher and a copywriter. As soon as the product images are pulled from the supplier link, the agents generate high conversation Shopify product descriptions and create a week's worth of social media posts. But here is the innovative part. I've set up a scheduled workflow where Accio Work monitors the engagement on these posts. If a post hits a certain like threshold, the agent automatically drafts a personalized thank you DM with a discount code to new followers. It's a complete loop, from spotting a trend to nurturing a customer, all running in the background while I focus on high-level strategy. This is what we mean by a workforce of one.
Now let's talk about the barrier to entry, because this is the best part. You can actually start building this workforce of one for $0.
Accio Work offers a free tier that isn't just a trial, it's a fully functional starting point. You get access to the core agent workshop and enough credits to run your first few trend source loops. It's perfect for testing the waters and seeing which agent skills, like e-commerce research, work best for your niche.
But as your business grows, the professional and elite plans are where the real power lies.
Think of it like moving from a part-time assistant to a 24/7 global department. The paid tiers unlock higher credit limits for high-frequency tasks, like scanning social media every hour instead of every day.
The beauty of this pricing model is that scale with your revenue, and instead of hiring a $50,000 a year operation manager,
you are looking at a fraction of that cost to run a dozen agents simultaneously. Whether you are a solopreneur just starting out or establishing a brand looking to automate your entire backend, there is a free tier that fits your current speed. You aren't paying for seats or headcount, you are paying for pure execution.
now autonomous doesn't mean out of control. I've set approval gates for the high-stakes tasks. Before a final purchase order is signed or a big ad budget goes live, I get a ping. I can review the agent's logic, verify the data, and hit approve in one click. You get all the speed of an AI workforce with the total security of being the final decision maker. It's an automation with off switch. The aha moment here is realizing that you don't need a massive team to run a sophisticated global operation. Accio Work gives you infrastructure of a large corporation with the agility of a solopreneur. It handles the boring, repetitive, and technical parts like VAT compliance and bulk outreach, so you can actually scale. If you want to set up your own automated agent squad, download the Accio Work for the desktop now. And you can use the link in my description to unlock extra bonus credits and start your own set and forget workflow. It's time to expand your execution, not your headcount. And my dear friends, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next videos.